The Meghalaya Chief Minister, Conrad K Sangma, who was accompanied by Agriculture Minister Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh on the 17th of May 2023, had inspected the ongoing pilot project entitled Seed Secure Meghalaya, establishment of low-cost formal and informal potato seed production system to enhance food security and income generation, which is a part of the potato seed production program at the Bioresource Development Center, BRDC, in Upper Shillong. This particular initiative of the government that aims to increase potato seed production and cultivation in the state and market the high-yielding varieties of potato to market across the northeastern region and beyond is being implemented by the International Potato Center in partnership with Meghalaya Basin Management Authority, Department of Horticulture and Central Potato Research Institute, Shimla. It may be mentioned that the production of potato seeds through tissue culture has been done through the apical rooted cutting (ARC) technique. Later, the Chief Minister also visited the Kudemkla Integrated Village Cooperative Society (IVCS) in Upper Shillong to interact with farmers who have adopted the ARC technique of potato seed production.
Okay. So regarding this demo trial, which we got last year in 2022, we got 150 kgs as potato seeds for Jyoti and another 150 for Himalani, and from there we find that the production is a good amount, and we compare the production of the previous Jyoti, older generation Jyoti, production tuber is very less, and with this G3, this G3 production is higher, and that is why we feel very encouraged to have this CIP working here along with MBMA, that we have this G0, which is very strongest we can say, compared to this G0 or G3, G4, G5. And we can find there, we have another part of the plantation, which is, we don't know, G50, G100 or something like that, older generation, whose production now is very low. And we can see here we have that older generation, we have the medium generation, and we have the first generation as well.
Talk about how they have seen the change that's taking place. So this is a great example of how, if we can bring in technology, how we could improve the overall life of the farmers and overall increase the productivity and work towards increasing the income of the farmers at the grassroots level. So this is something that we want to do. We would like to see that in the coming years, Meghalaya should be a leading producer of seeds in terms of potato and other seeds also, and we should be having enough production of potatoes and other areas also for ourselves, and hopefully in the coming years we will see Meghalaya becoming one of the production houses or producing states for seeds, so that we can start exporting it to neighboring states and to the rest of the country. So with that target and with that vision, this work is going on, and I'm very happy to see the outcome. And we will continue to support this project so that we are able to help more and more of our farmers in our state.